What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. Wow. All I do.
So you guys, I'm home right now. I have a super busy day ahead of me. I have to go drop off some food. One of my clients ordered some catering for me, so I'm about to go drop that off. I know you guys always love to see the food that I make for catering. So this is what I made for my client. So yeah, don't that look good? Okay, so I have to go drop that off. You guys know I just started my own seasoning blend line. It's called Chef's Secret from Ash Secret. Okay, you get the pun? Okay. So today is Tuesday, which means it's shipping day. So I'm about to go ship off all these orders. Make sure you get you one. Of course, there's always going to be a link to my seasoning blend in the description box below. So we're about to go do that, okay? I'm a little tired. I think I look a little tired. Yeah, we gonna have to make it do what it do, okay? Hello, Papa.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jig. Holla at me.
Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, so we got all the food packed in the car. Let's go drop it off. Alright. Lego.
I look fine on film.
So you look fat. No, you look sexy, baby. You look sexy.
Ow.
You guys, I'm almost to where I gotta be to drop this food off, y'all, and I'm going by Lake Morton. So I figured I would let you guys see some of the swans. My favorite are the black swans. You see the white ones right there? But I love the black swans, okay? So I figured I'd, show you guys real quick. This is one of my favorite places to go. Like, I know, they're so big, right? So, look at the swans right there. You see a swan right there? We're gonna stop where there's like a whole bunch. Oh, look, there's a whole bunch of them right there. Hold up, y'all. It is so beautiful out here, y'all. It's 80 degrees, okay? Look at all the swans right there. You see they just sitting there chilling? Look at them. You gonna stop? I gotta show them. Oh, those are not swans. Those are the cranes. Pelicans or cranes?
Those are pelicans.
Look at them, y'all. This is where I like to go chill and get my mind right sometimes, Look at them. Oh, there's a swan right there. Slow down, baby. You see the swan right there? I'm showing you. See him? Right there. Look. See the swan right there? Anyway, y'all, this is beautiful. See that? Yeah, I am so blessed to be able to live on and around water. Like, I live on the lake, and then I have all these like bodies of water not far from me as well. Something about water just calms me. Like, I just love being around water. I love it. So I just want to show you guys a little piece of my piece over here. Ain't it beautiful? Sometimes we'll come out here like 4 in the morning and watch the sunrise. Right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it beautiful? Do you like it? What do you think?
Yeah, I like that.
You see right there is the little machine right there, and then you could go and you could feed the birds. I like to do it, but I don't like to do it when I got sandals on because they come flying. I got this thing about having like birds sticking by my feet and stuff. Like, it drives me crazy. Oh, close my window soon. Oh, hell no.
That look like you could come in here.
Yo, do you see how close they be? Ronnie's over here eating a damn burger because we hungry. I think I'm going to get sushi or something. Oh my gosh, look at his wingspan. Yo, now there's 2. Oh, hell no. I love nature, but this is too much for me.
Oh man, yeah, they all come over.
Oh, they all come. We out. Ronnie, why would you pick to come over here to eat your food, babe?
I know
We about to get. Yo, they all walking over here. Y'all see them trying to cross the road? Yo, I'm about to go get some sushi. We about to get out of here. Babe, hurry up and eat.
They done ran up on your boy on some.
What? Y'all
shit.
don't understand how big these birds are. What kind of birds are these? Give him some more bread. Yo, look at how he's staring at me.
I know, they're like, yo, what that food at?
Yo, look at how he's staring at me. Give me a piece of bread, yo. I'm scared. Oh, hell no, babe. Hold up. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, shit.
Throw this out there. Throw this too.
Oh, hell no.
I want to eat chicken.
Chicken, Ronnie, no, don't give him no meat. Don't give him meat. Oh, my gosh. Oh, hell. Y'all do not understand how big these birds are. Their wingspan gotta be like 3 feet. Oh, Ronnie, hurry up. Why would you have to get a bird? You know what? You eat whatever you want to eat. I want some sushi. Okay, and then later on, tonight I'm going to cook dinner. It's still early, y'all. It's like 4. Oh, my gosh.
She mad.
Why is she mad? Because you gave him bread?
Yeah, they ain't moving.
What the heck, yo? They sitting here clocking us. Babe. Oh, hell. Oh, maybe we shouldn't have gave him, but he got the bread stuck right there in his beak. He can't get it in. Oh, hell no. If he fucking just... Oh, okay, he got it.
You got a deep choke. Oh, word, son.
Yo, they all coming over here. Do y'all see him? What? Babe, you gonna have to...
Yo, hook me up, son.
Yo, there's one in front of the car. Yo, they're everywhere. Y'all do not understand how big these things are. Turn the air on. It is hot out here. I gotta close the window. It's 80 degrees. Oh, look, Ronnie. Yo, you are tripping. No.
Them joints are freaking huge, man.
Babe.
I'm about to throw this burger out there. See what they're
How you? I don't think you could give them meat because in the bird feeder is bird seed, and I only seen people giving them bread. I don't know if you could get them meat. Don't do it. Yo, look at the one in front of the car. He like, y'all ain't going nowhere, son. Yo. Ronnie is crazy. Put your foot on the brake. Oh.
Better move, son.
Yo, look at how. Yo, I cannot. Yo.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Babe. I came just to show y'all the lake. Ronnie decides he wants to sit here and eat his lunch. Yo, look at the street.
I didn't know they was gonna come over.
I want some sushi. I want to try this poke place that's over by my house.
Niggas ain't moving. Get out of here, man.
Yo, and there's a car trying to pass.
Start moving.
She looking at you like I know he giving him food sign. Yo, look at this one. He just bounce. I'm out of here. Can we go get me some poke? Ronnie, when you move the car, there's like 2 right there in front of the car. Look, they can't even get by.
So stop.
Okay, babe. Oh, hell.
I don't know why they here.
You don't know why they here? Because you feeding them burgers. Babe, there's one right in front of the car. Yo, they are taking over the street. This is crazy. Babe. Wow. That is crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go get me some poke. They opened this bomb poke place by my house, so I'm about to go and get a bowl. I think I want some like spicy tuna with some like cucumbers and I don't know, we're gonna see. Maybe some avocado, some crab meat. Alright, we about to see what I get, alright? Babe, you stopping again?
Yeah, I gotta check my message first.
Oh my gosh.
Look at those ducks.
Look at all these ducks. Oh, look at the ducks. They're so cute. Look, y'all. Do you guys see the black ducks? Those are my favorite. I like the black swans and the black ducks. They're so beautiful to me. Oh, there's a black swan right there. You see it right there by the brick? He's in the bottom. He looks like... Oh, there's two! You see the black swans down there? How freaking beautiful. Those look like young baby ones. Oh, you do they see them? Alright, y'all, so we just finished dropping off the food. We about to go run to the post office. Lego. Alright, you guys, so I just got to the post office. Yeah. What beautiful scenery, right? Look at this. I want to go here. It's called the Swan Brewing Company. Okay, and it's right here on the water. Look at that. What's that, bird poop on my window? Anyway, I just got to the post office. Yeah, this post office, Brooklyn could never. Okay. So, let's go drop off all of these packages. Alright. Alright, y'all, we just got to the poke place. I'm about to see if my order is ready and go pick that. So I just got my food. Okay, the first thing I got is I got a Thai iced tea. Y'all see that? So y'all see it good? Alright, this is my Thai iced tea. Yeah, don't mind the dang pin marks on my hand. I'll be working. Alright. Alright, y'all, so I just got my poke bowl. Yo, this thing is hefty, y'all. This is a big old bowl. This is pretty much like sushi, but in bowl format. In bowl form. So I have spicy tuna and crab, right, with seaweed. I have some tofu. I have edamame, onions, carrots. I have some fried shallot in there. And I have this on top of brown rice. So good. Y'all see all that? This is hefty. Wow. Alright, y'all, so I just got home. I'm a little sleepy. I'm about to make dinner real quick. Something real fast. I think I'm about to make like a quick pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna throw some stuff together. Let's see what I come up with.
Don't slip